Good evening, everybody. I heartily regard all the persons present here. Myself, Bhavik Thakkar, I am here to tell you something about touching experience of English speaking. That was really wonderful experience. I joined English speaking class in the beginning of the 12th standard. Before joining English speaking class, I found a difficulty to speak even any simple English sentences. Very often, I did not know the English meaning of concerned words, so I felt dissatisfaction and hurt. There has been better improvement after joining English speaking class. The content of source material consists the simplest and easiest sentences. The sentences of vocabulary use have been included in this material. I feel satisfied. I have come to know many new words during this course. My general knowledge of English has increased. I have benefited in English subject in my school's first exam. There had been many mistakes in essay writing and report writing until 11th standard. But there is later in this mistake in standard 12. Many students feel that when we would be in a higher study in college, there would be English books and English environment, so we would learn easily English. But it is not so. Always keep trying to speak English. Never give up. Nothing is impossible in the world. The best remedy to learn English speaking is speaking practice, because practice makes a man perfect. It is only because of speaking practice. I can do small conversation in English, I can talk with my friend in English. Prior to English speaking learning, I did not know what the reporter talks about in English news. But nowadays, I can understand at least what the reporter talks about in English news. I used to hesitate to speak English sentences before this course. I had to remember English words and grammatical structure. But nowadays, I can speak English easily. Sir's English speaking teaching technique is very fine. He makes us translate each and every sentences. Moreover, he translates other extra sentences into English also. We had a group discussion in last 15 minutes every day, in which sir gave us a particular subject and taught us sentences related to it. That was really wonderful section of English speaking. Sometimes comic situation also generated among the friends during this group discussion. We studied funny sentences also. I really enjoyed it. In fact, the experience of learning English speaking was really wonderful. The journey of English speaking class was really interesting, and I am grateful to the audience that you have listened to me patiently. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.